Lincoln, come tell me how you lost your tooth. Come tell Daddy how you lost your tooth.
I was like,
Oh my. Hey bud, what'd you do?
I was like, I threw my head down as fast and then like it smacked this up and then it
Why did you throw your head down like that?
to like hide.
He was downstairs hiding. And so,
Just
from who? Olivia. And so he like threw his head down, whacked his knee, started crying, but then I was like, are you hurt? He's like, no, I'm actually not. And then he stopped crying and it was just bizarre.
I felt something on my tongue and then I like pulled it off.
look at the gums. I mean that. Okay.
I know, I can't believe that.
Well, that's funny that happened because I just told the boys after their ramp, I was like, I'm not taking anybody to the emergency room, so.
Oh, when he came I was on the toilet. He came running in the bathroom with a bloody face. I'm like, no, what? I'm like, what?
Of course we're gonna go to the ER today. We're paying like our last remaining ER bill, so.
Oh, the boy. It's like I want them to be boys. I want them to have fun. I want them to play. But I also don't like paying very expensive bills.
Mom said I have to wait until there's a little bit of a while. Like 4. Yeah, okay. But this is 3. This is the last house, I'll put that one up. Austin hit me. Wait, I should never. Stop, Lincoln. He's not listening to anyone.
Come on, lady. Let's go check on Lincoln. Come on. Lincoln got in trouble. Come on. Let's go. Lincoln is in trouble, so I told him to go clean his room. And then it got really, really quiet. So we are going to go see what Lincoln is up to. And P.S. it is the first day of spring break and it's freezing outside, so we've got the fireplace on. The room is definitely not clean. What are you laying next to, lady? What are you laying next to? Oh, well, you know me. You know me, and I mean, you knew it was coming, right? You know, I'm really just looking. This is, screams feminine, you know. Screams classic. Screams just fun, cute, you know. You know. You had to know that was coming. That's not a surprise. Right, lady? How long do these last for?
It says 8 hours. That's why a lot of people sleep with them.
Really? We'll just see how that goes.
Okay. And I asked them if they irritate the skin at all, because I really am like,
Yeah.
I don't burn the skin or nothing. Because I know you shouldn't do that.
Are you surprised that you fell asleep? Wow. Is it morning or night?
Morning.
You think it's the morning?
Is it?
No, it's the evening almost. Just took a really big nap. You just took a really big nap. You must have needed it, huh? I guess spring break is for napping. If that's what we need it to be, huh? Are you hungry? Should we go get something to eat?
Yeah, I'll get you guys.
Thank you.
This one is gross.
Are you kidding me?
Which one? The peanut butter?
Hi, I am getting ready to go and do a haircut. It's a virtual haircut, which I've done before. And they work out really, really well, but I still get nervous because I'm like, my bangs have grown out and I'm not really sure what to do and my hair just feels like garbage. So I don't really know. Anyway, I'm getting ready to do that. I just got done filming these on Instagram. So if you want to see the try on, you have to go to my Instagram, go to my clothing highlight, and then you'll see them as a try on. Super cute. Okay, I showed these hats. They're only 20 bucks. I couldn't believe it. I'm not going to keep all of these. I need to decide which one I like. Maybe you can help me, Joel. But I wanted to do a try on to show everyone the coloring because sometimes, so there's a million colors of hats. There's a million colors of these swim covers, and you just never know with coloring. Like, for instance, this was the white. I did not enjoy the white because it doesn't look white. Like, this is clearly a cream. This looks, I mean, it's off-white if you like off-white, but the color online shows brilliant white. So anyway, that's why I did the try on, just to kind of pair. I felt like, okay, all black is like classic. All cream, this is very, you know, resort vibes. And then this is just like fun summer. They have tons of other colors too, though. These ones were just my preference. If you don't feel like going to Instagram, then you can just click the links in the description and it will show you what they look like, just not on me.
Will you put
Yes.
some of those things on my back?
Yes. But we have to hurry because my haircut's in like
I know.
5 minutes.
I know, and I'll get Lincoln out of the house.
But here, look. He doesn't need to be out of the house. He just can't come in the bathroom. Okay, where's the computer?
I need to do, so he'll just come with me.
Okay. First, I have to make sure that this is set up.
Oh, yeah.
But I don't think this is tall enough. Let's see. Oh, maybe it will. Do you want to turn the light on and we'll see? You know what? I think that will be fine.
You think that'll work?
Yeah, that'll be fine. Okay. You're back.
Where are they at?
We show in the medicine cabinet.
I didn't see them in there.
I think they're there. Ooh, over here. Hold on. I see you sneaking in the tree cupboard.
He's like, I'm not sneaking.
He's like, I'm not sneaking. I'm doing
You
this
see
in
me
broad
here.
daylight. We showed earlier, Joel, me putting these on Joel. And tell me what you think, Joel. These are lidocaine patches.
They work so good.
Do they?
Yeah, I feel like I like them.
We don't know what Joel did to his back, but he's like, he can't even like breathe right. Kind of is taking his breath away. Do you want him up the spine like last time?
Do like right on the sides of the spine, not like dead center, but like just
So
off
2
center.
rows?
Yeah, 2 and 2.
Okay. Okay.
Me and Lincoln will go pick up another box of these.
Are these prescription?
They're not.
But you can get prescription if like...
You can get like higher percentages of them, but the doctor was like, those are wicked expensive. And he's like, you go from 4% lidocaine to like 5% lidocaine. And most insurances don't cover the...
And they're like a couple hundred
$200, yeah. So he's like, just try these ones. And so far I feel like they work good. I don't think it would make much of a difference.
And we were worried that these were going to be irritating on Joel's skin.
That was my biggest worry, was getting
So
burned.
that's the patch. You just peel it down and stick it where you need it.
It feels like...
He's having this weird flare up. And you haven't even like done anything.
Well, I got an injection again. And when I've called the doctor to let him know, he's like,
Go ahead.
sometimes you can get a steroid flare up. And so he's like, it's gonna hurt for a week if it does.
So do you think that's what this is?
I think so. I slept pretty good last night and it felt good this morning, but it's as we're going through the day, it's just getting tired.
I'm so sorry, Joel.
Hey, Lincoln,
Okay,
you come
Joel's
with me.
gonna go do his thing. I'm gonna get my hair cut. You guys will have to see what it looks like in the next
Ready?
video.
Go get your shoes on. I wonder if we can put these down there in the description.
I don't know. If we can, we will.
Mm-hmm.
Did you get them over the counter?
Yeah, but you don't need a prescription for them. So, yeah, they're over the counter.
All right, we're gonna close the vlog here. Thank you guys for watching. It was a little bit different of a vlog. I just was picking up the camera and showing what we were doing, and I just didn't feel like narrating, you know, for yesterday or whatever. I don't think Joel did either with his back. We've just been, I don't know, it's just been a slow couple of days. And it's not that we felt blue. We've just been like,
It's spring
meh.
break. We've just taken
And we
it
don't
easy
have
with
any
the
plans.
kids. Yep.
all right, bye guys.
Bye.
You know, I'm really just, ignore me. Oh, sorry, Joel. All cream. Sorry.